Do you know how to claim your income tax refund? Well, it's not as complicated as it might seem. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this process with ease. First off, you'll need to file your income tax return for the relevant assessment year. This is the year following the financial year for which you're filing taxes. You can do this online through the official income tax website or authorized e-filing platforms. Remember to accurately report your income, deductions, and tax liability in your return. Once you've filed your income tax return, it's time to verify it. There are a handful of ways to do this, including using an electronic verification code, Aadhaar OTP, or by sending a signed physical copy of the ITRV to the Centralized Processing Center within 120 days of e-filing. Now, it's time for a little patience. The Income Tax Department will process your return to calculate your final tax liability or refund amount. This could take some time, but don't worry, they'll send you an acknowledgement once your return is processed. Next, if you are eligible for a refund, the Income Tax Department will determine the refund amount based on your income tax return and the tax paid during the year. The refund amount is essentially the excess of taxes you've paid over your tax liability. Once your refund is determined, it's time for the good part, receiving it. If you've provided your bank account details when filing your return, the refund will be directly credited to your account. If not, or if there are issues with the provided details, the Income Tax Department may send you a refund check by mail. But how do you know when your refund is on its way? Well, you can check the status of your income tax refund online using the Income Tax Department's official website or through the authorized e-filing platform. You'll just need to provide your permanent account number and other relevant details. If you've been waiting a while and still haven't received your refund, don't hesitate to contact the Income Tax Department's customer service or visit your local income tax office to inquire about the status of your refund. Sometimes errors or discrepancies in your return could result in a delay or denial of your refund. If that's the case, you may need to rectify them by filing a revised return or providing additional documentation as requested by the tax department. Last but certainly not least, remember to keep records of your filed income tax return, acknowledgement receipt, and any correspondence with the tax department. These documents might come in handy in case of any issues with your refund. And there you have it, a simple guide to claiming your income tax refund. Remember, the time it takes to receive a refund can vary, so patience is key. If you have specific questions about your income tax refund, consider reaching out to the relevant tax authorities or consult a tax professional for assistance. Happy filing!